It's 2:40 a.m. on River Road. Officers clock a Ford doing 60 in a 35, nearly double the limit. What begins as a routine speeding stop quickly shifts gears when the driver admits she's coming from a bar in Brooklyn. Watch how Officer Turner transitions from traffic enforcement to a DUI investigation based on the driver's eyes and admissions.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
How are you? I'm Officer Turner with the Gothenburg Police Department. Got to let you know my body cam's recording. Okay? The reason I stopped you is how fast you're going on River Road.
Sorry.
Okay? It's all right. You have your license, registration, insurance, please.
License?
Okay.
Give me a second.
Take your time. Thank you very much. No issues with your license? No issues with your license? At all? No? Okay. I ask everyone that. Give me 1 second. We'll be right back. Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
New York.
Where?
New York.
New York? Where in New York? Brooklyn? Okay. Were you at a restaurant or a bar or a friend's house?
Bar.
A bar. Okay. Did you have anything to drink when you were there?
2 beers.
You had 2 beers? Okay. Do you normally take any kind of medication, or did you take any kind of narcotics or anything tonight? Not whatsoever?
2 beers?
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. All right. Well, how you say your first name?
Liba.
Liba? Okay, Liba. Give me 2 seconds. Just give me 1 second. We'll be right back. Ma'am, can you do me a favor? Just step out real quick, okay?
Can I do shoes?
If you want to, sure. That's fine. We're just going to go over to the sidewalk over here, okay? Okay, I'm sorry, what's your first name again?
Liba.
Liba? Okay. My name's Mike, I'm Officer Turner, okay? This is my partner, Officer Razzo, that's my Sergeant Ramadanovic, okay? The way that you were driving, which was very fast, very erratic, okay? I just asked you if you drank anything, you said you drank 2 beers. Would you consent to doing a field sobriety test?
Sure. I just wanted to get home, like I'm just trying to...
No, I understand that, but the way that you were driving, your eyes are very red, very watery right now. I want to make sure you're okay to drive.
Oh, they're not watery.
I want to make sure you're...
Yeah, definitely okay. I live, right up there.
Where's up there? What's that? Where do you live?
I live at my parents' house, but my friend, I stay with him too, George, he lives, Western.
Okay.
Okay.
Like, even while I'm just speaking to you now, you're slurring your speech, right? There's a lot of things that...
An accent.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you consent to doing
fine.
Do you consent to doing the field sobriety test? You're okay doing them?
Okay.
We're going to do them right over here where it's more flat, okay?
Okay, cool. No problem.
So it's 3 tests that I would put you through. The first one is I get to check your eyes. The second one's a walking test, and the third one's a balancing test.
No problem.
Okay?
Okay, cool.
The first
2
question...
beers, that's it. So I'm totally fine.
If you think you're good and you're going to pass the test, then you're going to be out of here,
funny,
okay?
Okay, cool.
First question I have you, are you diabetic at all?
No.
Do you take insulin at all?
No.
Okay. What I want you to do is put your feet together, put your hands at your side, just like this. Okay, just like that. Okay, I know it's a little chilly out. You have a jacket in the car you want to wear?
It's okay.
You good?
It's just,
okay, we'll get this done then. Okay. Feet together, hands at your sides. I want you to stay like this for the entire test. Okay? What I want you to do is look at this blue light. With your eyes and eyes only, follow this blue light. Keep your head still. Okay? Try and keep your head as still as you can.
Just in my eyes.
Okay. Yep. Try and keep your head still. Look right here. Almost done. I'm going to go up, okay? Just keep your head still.
Only your eyes, only your eyes.
Okay, the test is done. Okay? Next test we're going to do is a walking and balancing test. I'm going to put you in the starting position. I'm going to explain it to you, and then you're going to do the test. We're going to go this way. So if you want to stand right here, face this way. Okay? I want you to imagine a straight line right in front of you. Okay? On that line, I want you to put your left foot on it. You can do that now. Put your right foot in front of your left foot, heel touching toe. Put your hands at your sides. Stay just like this until I tell you to start the test. Okay? Anytime that it's okay. Anytime that you fall out of the position, just go right back to it. Okay?
Okay, I just want to balance like my whole body.
Sure. Do you feel like this is a flat enough spot for you? Not at all?
Honestly, I don't.
Okay. Do you think that curb right there would be a flatter spot for you?
Maybe.
Let's see. Sure.
Can I just grab my jacket?
Do you want to grab your jacket? That's fine. Sure. Keep going. Keep going.
Also, just so you know, your phone is on FaceTime, so when you get
Yes. Very good. I was smelling it while I was standing there. So as you're in front of her, it hits you. But yeah, I got 4 out of 6 on each. Yeah.
I was just frustrated. I wanted to see Miguel, you know.
Okay, let's see if the sidewalk works better. Okay. Do you think this is better for you? Yes? Okay. If you want to just move a little bit more center, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. So imagine there's a straight line right in front of you. Put your left foot on that line. Right foot in front of your left foot. Heel touching your toe. Put your hands at your sides. Stay just like this. It's okay. At any point that you fall out of that position, just go back to that position, okay?
Is it okay if I just have my boots on around? Okay, like this? Is that okay?
It's got to stay at your sides. Right. If you want to zipper your jacket up so you...
Yeah.
Okay. When I tell you to begin the test, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on this imaginary line, okay? During those steps, you're going to count your steps out loud. You're going to keep your hands at your sides. Your right foot in front of your left foot.
Oh, so
yep, just like that.
Right. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
I'm just going to see.
All good.
Okay. All right, so... one.
Oh, not yet. I got to explain all the instructions first, okay? But I need you to stay in that position now, okay? So your left foot, and then your right foot in front of your left foot.
So left, and then right.
Yep, left foot, and then your right foot, just like that.
No problem.
Your right foot in front of your left foot. Okay, hands at your sides. Okay. You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the imaginary line. During those steps, you're going to count them out loud. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Keep your hands at your sides. You know, look at your feet as you're walking. You're not going to stop walking at any point. Okay. When you get to your 9th step, you're going to keep your front foot down. Take your back foot to turn around. I'm going to demonstrate for you so it's easier.
Okay, but what do you mean by front foot?
I'm going to demonstrate. Okay. Okay? Cool. So hold on.
No problem.
I need you to stay in. That's how the test is run. You have to stay in the starting position.
Sorry.
Okay? That's okay. Just put your right foot in front of your left foot. And your hands at your sides. Okay. When you get to your 9th step, you're going to turn around and take 9 more heel-to-toe steps the exact same way, counting out loud, hands at your sides, looking at your feet. I'm going to demonstrate, so just watch me. You have to stay in the position. Your left foot's going to be on the line, just like this, right? Your right foot's going to be in front of it, just like how you have it there. It's going to be just like this. 1, 2, 3. I took 3 steps. When you get to your 9th step, you're going to keep your front foot planted and take your back foot. Take small choppy steps to turn around, just like this. Okay? Then you start again. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 9 steps.
9 steps.
You turn. 9 steps. Okay?
Okay.
Don't stop walking at any time until you think the test is done.
Can or do
you have to count out loud.
Count.
Okay? So 9 steps. You count.
I start with my left, and then right foot starts, right?
So you put your right foot
first?
Put your right foot in front.
Okay.
And then you're gonna start like that.
Okay. So left is first. 1.
I would assume so. Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then turn. Okay. So this is first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay then. All right.
Pay attention here. This is a divided attention test, meaning the ability to follow instructions is just as critical as the physical balance. Officers are spotting clues like the gap between her heel and toe and the improper turn. She thinks she's doing it perfectly, but the body cam reveals the loss of motor skills. Would you have passed this?
Last test we're gonna do. Okay, it's called the one-leg stand test. Put your feet together just like you have them. Your hands at your sides. Okay? When I tell you to start, you pick up whatever leg you choose, 6 inches off the ground, just like this. You look at your foot, you count out loud until I tell you to stop. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3 until I tell you to stop. Keep your legs straight, your hands at your sides. If any time you put your foot down during the test, just pick it right back up.
So do I count, or you just tell me?
You're going to count until I tell you to stop.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Ready?
Hold on 1 second.
Did you understand the instructions?
Yes, I hold my foot up in the air until he tells me to stop, and I'm going to count until he tells me to stop.
Good. Make sure you keep your legs straight and your hands at your sides the entire time. Okay?
Legs straight and
hands at your sides the
one
entire
leg
time.
up and hands
Yes,
at
ma'am.
my sides.
When you're ready, you can begin the test.
Okay, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Okay, and so whenever. Ready?
Yep, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, sorry.
That's okay. Pick your foot back up. Keep going. Go ahead. Keep going.
23, 24, 25, 26.
Okay, you could stop, ma'am. Okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, come on over here, ma'am. Just stand right here for me, okay? Stand right here. Put your hands up on the hood for me, okay? You're being placed under arrest for DWI.
Can you put this in here, please?
You want to pick up your jacket, right?
Is there anything inside the car that you would like to take?
Wait, why am I being placed under DWI if I had 2 beers?
How can I prove that you only had 2 beers? You failed the field sobriety test.
How?
Okay?
I did the 9 steps
You
and
failed.
I held my foot
You
up.
failed all the tests.
Ma'am, you didn't follow not one direction.
When? Your body cameras are on?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So
That's
you
why.
asked me to take 9 steps forward, 9 steps back. I did all of those perfectly.
Yes, the eye test.
And then-
the eye test you failed, and then the
Because
one
I
that's
felt
in-
nervous. Like, I don't know you,
Okay, ma'am.
and I don't look at anybody in the eyes.
Let's walk
like,
her over to your car, okay?
Okay,
Just
I
wait
can
till
look
Western
in the
passes by.
eyes. Your body cameras are on.
Yes, ma'am. That's correct.
And you call my stand right here. I'm just gonna cut you, right?
250. Around 221 female for 5 at headquarters. Near starting mileage 6810, 6810. At 250.
Watch the step going down the steps. Property's in the front?
Yeah.
Front row.
Despite her confidence, Laiba Shah was charged with DUI and reckless driving. Later at the station, she refused to provide a breath sample, triggering an automatic refusal charge. If you found this breakdown intense, hit that like button. Let me know your verdict in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam action.